2500 years ago, Sun Tzu said, "Speed is the essence of war." Today, I will share with you one of my secrets how to get the feeling. Cheers! This is Sam Lane. I spent years of my childhood to play Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl game. It was great years. But now, people get through the whole game in less than 9 minutes. I eat longer. 9 minutes to get from the beginning to the end. This is the essence of speed in wargaming. This is inspiration. For older generation, I suggest to try Super Mario Bros. People get through the whole game in less than 5 minutes. Enjoy!